I love Formnext.
Formnext is for us really a great pleasure.
This is my first time at Formnext actually, so it's almost overwhelming. I mean, just the magnitude of it. Everybody's here. I'm really excited
to network, to learn about the new development of technologies, and really be like a sponge to absorb new knowledge here today.
This is the place to be in our industry. Everyone who has something to say in additive manufacturing is here.
I like Formnext. This year is incredible. We are in a big booth together with Desktop Metal family. A lot of people, friends, partners, and we enjoy a lot.
And what you can see is that we have a very mature market at the moment. So those questions are on a much higher level than in the previous years. The contacts are of a very high quality, and this is really a lot of fun.
The crowds, the people, the energy, the enthusiasm, the exhibitors, the visitors, everything about it. This is a candy store for us young kids who love technology and getting our hands on parts. So it's you cannot be at a better place in Germany in November.
So who cannot love Formnext? That's the question.